Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Lifetime Scene. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. Coming to talk about this one school called the Sales. And I got to tell you, so this place has been a miracle for me. Now what we are first going to be talking about is some news that came out of the Monroe County region. There was like a hostage situation, like squad ERT, Indiana University ERT is on scene of a subject in a hotel room, and this is IN 001. And then after that, if we look at their top feeds on here on the Ray Reference platform, if I turn you guys around, this is what the top 50 feeds look like. We got New York, it's St. Clair County, 150 is Monroe and Brown County. If we keep on going down, we got Sequoia County, got Green Fayette, Texas, we got Harris, Davenport, we got Iowa Scott, and Illinois, Rock Island. We also got Ocean County EMS. So also let you guys know, there is a lot going on regarding radio scanners. Today is a very important day for me. Today is the day when I get my brand new antenna for my radio scanner, and I feel really excited about it. So if we keep on looking at this, if I turn you guys around and show you guys what we are talking about, this gets really interesting. This computer. So like this paging Mr. Morale, he's at Disney Springs, which is at Disney World. And this guy right here is who we're talking about. You see what the line looks like? That's what it looks like to get in there. So plus also, if we log on to reference and talk about the Bloomington, Indiana area, because that's where we're at. So we click on Georgia, we click on the Augusta region, which is Richmond County. We look at this, and they got Sheriff Narcotics, they got ARC Fireground, they got a couple of Public Works, they got a water rescue, they got landfill, they also got crime suspicious, law enforcement center maintenance, their squad, There's special division at the Civic Center. Now, Airman Gold Coast EMS, they got Decker, based on Doctors Hospital in Augusta. One of them uses DMR, which luckily or not, almost everywhere is turned into DMR. Now, if we click on Richmond County, Georgia's RIO system, we got the transportation office and a couple school buses. So if we click on their businesses, we got Peaceway of Augusta, which is 158.385. And if we click on Augusta Regional Airport, we got Delta Airlines Gate Rio, we got Delta Airlines Atlanta Rio, we got Delta Airlines Operations, got United Airways, got Airport Operations, covers security, fire, and maintenance. We also got the Transportation Security Administration there. So if we click on Chapman County, we click on Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. We look at this. Southwest got a 451.900, color code 5, talk group 10, and slot 1. United, we got color code 2, talk group 1, slot 1. Got signature flight support. It's got shelter air. And we also got the 16 Fire Wing, the 16 Airlift, Air Demolition Center. So if we click on Montgomery County, we look at this. They use a P25 Phase 2. And it's also provided by their prison. Businesses, they got churches. At Columbus Airport, they got air traffic control, which if we look, approaches from Atlanta ATRC, APH SBC 230 on frequencies 120.45 and 298.85. Columbus RCAG. Now, if we go on back, we click on DeKalb County. Now, the DeKalb County uses a P25 thing. Say a police, which has Central Dispatch, South Dispatch, Tucker Dispatch, and East Dispatch. They also got a squad team command. They got narcotics. Now their fire, they use EMS and AMR. They are dispatched on the fire dispatch channel. Public Works, they are 911 radios, roads, and division department. Peachtree, DeKalb Airport operations, they got sanitation, they got traffic, they got park rangers. Other public safety, they got the Decatur 911 Center. They got Decatur County IOP interop system. They got Emmy Hospital, Emmy University. They also got an emergency response grid. Now, police department, they use 173.3625, and that's their law talk. They also got a couple more law talks. Now, their Board of Education uses NXDN. Stone Mountain Park Police, they got Crossroads to the Park Public Safety Dispatcher, Trexans can study on duck boats, Public Safety Dispatch. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and I'll see you guys later, and I'll be showing you guys my new radio scanner. Alright, goodbye.